Hello students, good morning. This is Mrs. Akshita Shenoy. A very happy learning to all of you. Answer the following questions. Who is this great man? Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Correct. Who were the two cruel sultans who divided Maharashtra amongst themselves and made people's life very miserable? Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Correct. Adil Shah of Bijapur could not force Shivaji to surrender. Every Sardar of Bijapur who was against Shivaji was defeated. Adil Shah at last gave up the fight, made peace with Shivaji, and gave recognition to his independent kingdom. In the meanwhile, Aurangzeb sent Shaista Khan, his uncle, to deal with Shivaji and teach him a lesson. Shaista Khan, with a huge army of 75,000 men and hundreds of elephants, camels, and pieces of cannon, marched on Pune. On the way, he captured the towns of Shirwar, Shivapur, Saswad, and finally laid siege to the fort of Purandar. Firangoji Narsala. Shaista Khan then continued his march on Pune. First, he captured the fort of Chakan. Firangoji Narsala fought to defend the fort with great bravery and skill against the army of Shaista Khan. For 2 months, he kept Shaista Khan at bay, but he was helpless against the guns of Shaista Khan. Shaista Khan was much impressed with the way Firangoji defended the fort and offered him service with the Mughal emperor. Firangoji, however, refused his tempting offer. Shaista Khan in Lal Mahal. Shaista Khan came to Pune and made Lal Mahal, Shivaji's residence, his headquarters. 1 year passed, then another year. Shaista Khan would not leave Pune. On the contrary, his troops would raid Shivaji's territory, destroy crops, and take away the cattle. In this way, he started devastating the surrounding countryside. A bold plan. At last, Shivaji decided to teach Shaista Khan a lesson. In a way, it was good that Shaista Khan was staying in Lal Mahal. Shivaji knew the place inside out, with all its entrances and exits, its secret passages, doors, and windows. Shivaji decided to enter Lal Mahal one night and kill Shaista Khan. This was indeed a bold plan. Shivaji fixed the date to carry out the plan. On the night of 5th April 1663, a marriage procession was passing along the street of Pune. Shivaji, with his band of trusted followers, joined the procession to give the impression that they were a part of it. In some time, the procession proceeded on its way, but Shivaji and his men moved away quietly in the direction of Lal Mahal. Shaista Khan was fast asleep. Shaista Khan learns a lesson. Shivaji made a hole in the wall and entered Lal Mahal. He had no trouble in finding his way about, because after all it was his own house. Shivaji went deeper inside. Suddenly, someone rushed at him with a sword. Shivaji killed him. He thought it was Shaista Khan, but it was his son. Shivaji went straight to the Khan's chamber and took out his sword. Terrified, the Khan started shouting, the devil, and tried to escape through the window. Shivaji struck him with the sword, which cut off 3 fingers of the Khan. Shivaji and his men escaped and reached Sinhagad safely. Aurangzeb was furious when he heard of this episode. Shaista Khan lost the emperor's favor and was transferred to Bengal. Shivaji had successfully bearded the lion in his own den. Gunfires announced the victory and a wave of joy went all through Maharashtra. Today we learnt about how Shivaji Maharaj defeated Shaista Khan in Pune. Answer the following question. First, Shaista Khan laid siege to the fort of Dash. Second, in Pune, Shaista Khan made Dash his headquarters. Third, Aurangzeb transferred Shaista Khan to Dash. Thank you. See you soon. Stay home, stay safe.